A seed in the garden waits to grow. Green leaves sprout from the rich brown soil. A blue watering can fills with clear water. Water helps seeds become strong plants. Sunlight shines bright above the garden. A rainbow of flowers bloom with joy. Butterflies flutter around the colorful blooms. Ladybugs crawl on the green leaves slowly. Bees buzz happily from flower to flower. Gardening tools wait on a wooden bench. A yellow shovel digs in the soft ground. A pink trowel is shiny and bright. A purple pot holds growing herbs gently. Daisies dance in the warm summer breeze. A red flower stands tall in the garden. Green grass covers the earth like a blanket. A blue sky stretches above, vast and wide. Clouds drift softly, white and fluffy. A gardener smiles, planting with care. Seeds of carrots and beans go into rows. The garden is a special place full of life. In the garden, we see many colors. Red tomatoes grow on green vine plants. Orange marigolds brighten the garden bed. Pink petunias wave in the gentle wind. Yellow sunflowers turn to face the sun. A garden is full of shapes to explore. Round pumpkins grow near the tall corn. Long cucumbers hang on the green trellis. Square boxes hold soil for planting seeds. Triangular leaves spread wide in the sun. Now we enter Daisy Dragon's magical garden. The garden is full of laughter and fun. Trees stand tall with twisted branches. A bridge over a small stream sparkles. Bright flowers grow in every direction. A cozy cottage sits at the garden's edge. Daisy Dragon flutters her colorful wings. Her friend, Benny Bunny, hops beside her. They pick vegetables and fruits from the garden. Together, they love to help things grow. Today, they want to plant new seeds. Daisy has a shiny bag full of seeds. Benny brings his colorful watering can. They gather tools and plan their planting. We can make this garden even brighter. They smile as they begin their work. Planting together brings warmth and joy. Each seed holds a promise of growth. With care, they dig little holes in the soil. They gently place each seed inside its home. Let's see shapes of fruits in the garden. Bright red apples hang on green trees. Round watermelons wait on the soft earth. Big pumpkins sit proudly, orange and round. Long green beans climb up tall poles. Yellow corn stands with golden kernels. Daisy counts each seed they sow. 1 little seed, 2 little seeds, 3, 4 seeds tucked safely in the ground. 5 seeds resting, waiting patiently. To grow, we must water our seeds. Daisy and Benny fill their watering cans. They sprinkle water carefully on the soil. Thank you, dear plants, for growing, they say. They hum a happy tune together. Follow the path to see flowers bloom. Look at the patterns in the garden. Daisy's favorite flower is the bluebell. Benny loves the bright yellow daisies. They take turns saying what they love. Please, can we water more plants? Daisy asks. Of course, let's share our watering can, Benny replies. Together, they work with smiles on their faces. They wait patiently for the seeds to sprout. They watch the garden full of life. Remember to say thank you to nature. Let's hold hands as we walk together. Look both ways before crossing the stream. Gardens grow best with love and care. Together, they make magic in their garden. Surprises bloom every day in the garden. Daisy finds a tiny rainbow in the mist. Benny spots a friendly squirrel nearby. They wave at the little critter happily. A wise owl watches from the tree. "Hello, wise owl. What do you see?" The owl hoots softly, "I see growth." They smile and continue their work. Every day brings something new to cherish. Together, they discover the joy of gardening. Let's remember what we learned today. Seeds grow into tall plants with care. Water helps them sprout and rise. Colors of flowers brighten the garden. Shapes of fruits and veggies are everywhere. Gardens are magical places to explore. Daisy and Benny love to share and grow. Each plant tells a story of patience. Their friendship makes the garden special. Let's keep planting kindness wherever we go. As the sun sets, the garden glows softly. Daisy and Benny sit on the bench. They feel the warmth of their hard work. "Tomorrow, we will plant even more," Daisy says. Benny nods, dreaming of new flowers. Together, they are happy in their garden. They snuggle up as night falls gently. The garden whispers sweet dreams and joy. Every day is a chance to learn and grow. And in their hearts, they know love blooms.